How to track deliveries in real time on Amazon. Want to know the exact location of a package? This guide shows you how to track deliveries in real time on Amazon so you can know exactly when your package will arrive. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your orders to see a list of all the recent orders. You'll see the status of each order, whether it's shipped, delivered, or in transit. Find the order that you want to track and tap on the Track Package button next to it. This will take you to a new page where you can see the real-time location and status of your package. You'll see a map that shows the location of the delivery driver as they get closer to your address. You can also sign up for delivery alerts to get notified when the delivery driver is nearby. This is a great way to stay updated with your deliveries. You can also see the estimated delivery date and time. If there are any delays, you'll be notified. You now know how to track deliveries on Amazon. Get ready to know exactly when your package will arrive. Like and subscribe for more app tips.